দেশ বিদেশ, জাতীয় আন্তর্জাতিক, রাজনীতি থেকে খেলা, শিক্ষা থেকে সংস্কৃতি, সব খবর পেতে চোখ রাখুন শুধুমাত্র নিউজ প্রাইমে। আমরা সত্যি লুকোই না, আমরা সত্যি দেখাই। Subscribe our channel for further updates.
I'm Debjani Roy, the Vice President of Evo Connect. Well, I am founder of my company called D Roy, and I'm dealing with a unique technology which is from Germany. Well, this technology, the technology I'm dealing with is completely futuristic. If you are at all concerned about your any pain, it can be disease. It can be a disease in the sense like if you have a migraine, if you have any chronic pain, diabetes, anything. If you have issues with the relationship at home or outside your home. If you have any issues of concentration, forgetfulness, we call it in a larger term Alzheimer's, right? So that of course goes beyond a little bit of control. So any of these kind of issues, or even your business is getting stuck, you're talking about prosperity, getting business, there is huge help through this technology. If you wish to know more in detail, it's a unique one. Like mobile phone 20 years back, it was futuristic. So this particular technology is again a futuristic. If you need to know how it works, what it works, and it works through vibrations and frequencies. Which vibrations and frequencies, ladies and gentlemen, this about 100 years back, the doctors or the Ayurvedas or whoever used to nadi pakad ke batate the, and they used to resolve all the issues through frequencies. That has come from a German technology, which if you are interested to know, please connect with me. I would love to share how it works. Your life will be changed 360 degrees. So that was my introduction for my business, and thank you so much. Now, Evo Connect is going to have a book launch. May I request Preeti Dhanuka to kindly come and say a few words. Let me introduce Preeti Dhanuka. Well, Preeti Dhanuka, she's a homemaker turned personal success coach, author and author coach, helping professionals live their dream of writing a book. She has written 4 books in span of 2 years, along with other ghostwriting projects, which is quite a few of them. She's doing brilliantly in such a short stint of life. Good that she has come out from homemaking, and of course she's still a homemaker, but well, she has come to this line and she's doing phenomenally well. She has authored this book for Evo Connect. As you know, Evo Connect, the founder is Laksh and Lavanya Jaiswal. May I have all 3 of you here, please?
I come from a psychology background, and having learned mindset and cognitive behavior and other modalities, I am not just writing books for myself, I am helping others do the same. I don't just hear them, I read them. And because I read them, I am able to curate books for them with their experiences in their own style, I would say. So anybody looking to actually live their dream of writing a book can connect with me. And I firmly believe, being a part of the divine, we are all about to shine. Thank you.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। हम आपके घर के दीवारों को खूबसूरत बनाते हैं। हमारा पेशा है वॉलपेपर। अब आप जब भी दोबारा कुछ सोचेंगे तो हमारे बारे में पक्का सोचिएगा। हमारा नाम है विजय टिबड़ेवाल और हमारी कंपनी का नाम है ओम साई इंटरप्राइज। हम आपके घर को आपके सोच के मुताबिक उससे भी ज्यादा खूबसूरत बनाने की काबिलियत रखते हैं। धन्यवाद।
My name is Nidhi Chhabria. This is my first event. So Lavanya, thank you so much for inviting. And I am a candle designer and maker. Okay. I'm a candle designer and maker. So we do candles for both professional as well as corporate gifting. Any type of customization. So thank you so much. Thank you.
To stand a bit that size. चेहरे पे रिफ्लेक्शन आ रहा है.
Good evening, members and esteemed visitors. My name is Vineet Khaitan, and I am into the category of health and wellness. I am a certified nutritionist and disease reversal expert. So, if you are on any form of medication, lifelong medication, and you are suffering from any disease, so you can very easily reverse through food. Food is the most powerful medicine for you if done in a right and a proper way. So, if you have any issues, suffering from any health conditions, you can come to me. Thank you. Signing off.
Good evening to all. Myself Abhishek Bagla. My company name is Killer Transport Private Limited. I am to the category of logistics. Used to provide all sort of commercial vehicles like lorry, truck, trailer, pan area to all the industries. And my connect, I am looking for a connect for logistic department of Indigo Airlines. And signing off with a code. वाहन चलाते समय सौंदर्य दर्शन ना करें, वाहन चलाते समय सौंदर्य दर्शन ना करें, वरना देव दर्शन का लाभ मिल सकता है।
क्या बात, अरे ताली का मत कराएं।
Good evening everyone. My name is Shomabrata Datta. I represent my brand SS Plus. We are mainly into commercial kitchen equipments manufacturing, SS and MS fabrication, and exhibition stall fabrication. Thank you and have a great evening ahead.
Remember, no?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rajdeep Bose. I represent my brand X-Light by Express Industries. We are into all kinds of commercial and domestic lights, whether indoor or outdoor. We've been in this business from 1953, and we supply to a lot of builders and also work in coordination with a lot of interiors and architects. So whenever you think of lights, think of us, and we'll be able to give you the best customized solution possible. Thank you so much.
Sort of, yes please, come sort of. I think a big round of applause for them. Shall we officially show the book and inaugurate? Yes, please. This panel is very, very known to me and very close to me, and I have forgotten to call him. I didn't even recognize that he was sitting there at one corner. Can we? Yeah. Thank you. Photo opportunity.
Hi everyone, good evening. एनर्जी नहीं आ रही है, थोड़ा जोर से ताली बजाएं, थोड़ा और जोर से, आवाज नहीं आ रही, बहरा हो गया मैं, थोड़ा और जोर से, गुड, अब थोड़ी सी एनर्जी लग रही है मेरे को. So how's the place? How's the place? Would you like to come here again? Okay. And how's our host? Awesome. So कैसा लग रहा है आपको ईवीओ से कनेक्ट होके? आवाज क्या हुआ? हमने खाना रखा है, थोड़ी देर बाद मिलेगा. मिलेगा सब मिलेगा यहाँ पे, मजा भी मिलेगा. अभी देखो म्यूजिक भी है, मूवीज भी है, एंटरटेनमेंट भी है, सारी चीजें हैं आज शाम के लिए. सो क्या है कि थोड़ा टाइम लगता है बट फ्लो आ जाता है. थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ता है हमें एक्साइटमेंट के लिए, राइट? सो हियर वी आर and it's a great evening. We are actually coming up with a song launch, a movie trailer launch, and my very own Stars Night Season 6. 5 साल हो चुके हैं हमें. तो ये वाली टीम ज्यादा बता पाएगी कि कैसा रहता है Stars Night. अरे आवाज नहीं आ रही, किसी को नहीं बुलाऊंगा मैं. बेइज्जती करा रहे हो तुम लोग. मन से नहीं आ रहा, छोड़ो. कैसा रहता है? शाहरुख खान. देखो शाहरुख खान आता रहता है किरदार के लिए, तो मैं बार बार उसको क्यों बुलाऊं, परेशानी क्यों दूं? सलमान खान. So hope you all are having a great evening. Once again, Thank
you so much, Saurav. That was energy. That was energy. Thank you, Saurav. I'll just request Preeti, kindly say a few words, because after all, you are the author, and author को तो सम्मान मिलना ही चाहिए, और we would love to hear from you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for all the applauds and the appreciation and kind words, Kechani. Well, this could not have been possible if Laksh would not have believed in me and given me this opportunity. So first and foremost, thank you, Laksh. You're hiding behind all the cameramen. I can't even see you. I would really want you to be here by my side. This is your book, your brainchild. I am just the pen curating it. Please come here. He not only believed in me, he cooperated so much that this book was written in just 20 days. He was available whenever I requested him and answering all my questions, sharing all his stories, all his thoughts, being as much vulnerable, sharing what his insights are, what he wants, everything. So this is no doubt written by me, curated by me, but it is totally a reflection of who Laksh is as a human, as an entrepreneur, what his insights are. This is not just an Evo Connect book, it is a book for every business person, every entrepreneur who wants to grow, who wants to build business, who is looking to enhance oneself. As Sujoyji just said, how we are introducing, that is a part of how you can pitch yourself in just 30 seconds, how you can make an impression in the shortest time. That is what we learn at Evo, and that is also what everybody needs to learn. When you are going out, you just don't have the time. We know the concept of elevator pitch. So this is what everything we are learning here on this platform, and this book is curated to actually bring forward all that is needed by any and every individual. Even if you're not an entrepreneur, we have very young 2 members right now joining us, and they are not just entrepreneurs, they are even students, they are even studying. So this is required even in relationships. We are very soon, Lakshya has said, come up with different volumes of the book where we'll talk about different kind of communications, different kind of relationships, and what all is needed to grow in life. I would like to take a few more seconds and read a bit of it from the book, which I really like. I'll not take much time. This is a conversation between me and Laksh, where I ask him, it sounds like visibility is a habit, not a one-time act. And Laksh very finely says, exactly, it's about consistency. And don't underestimate the power of collaboration. When you celebrate others, they celebrate you. When you share your platform, your network grows with you. And this is just a bit of it. So this is not just for Evo members, this is helpful for every person. So I would request to come and have your copies from the table here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
For this wonderful launch, and Preeti, of course, the author. Ladies and gentlemen, people who wish to know more about Evo and would like to connect, please feel free to get in touch with us. We would love to have you over. Thank you so much. Now the interesting part is we are getting into the launch of music and movies. Now, how brilliant is that? No reactions? I think a big round of applause to banta hai, please, come on. आवाज इधर से कम है. Yes. पीछे में आवाज नहीं है. Hello. आप लोग इतना बात करते हैं, हताली तो मारिए कम से कम. एक बार और, please, एक बार और. Yes. I think it is time to invite our very own Saurav. Well, Saurav does not need any introduction because everybody out here knows Saurav that well. Saurav Haryanvi, CEO High Hopes, Bollywood actor, producer, and a multitasker, talented gentleman who is very, very close to us, me, Evo Connect, each members, of course the founders, and all of you present here. I think, Saurav, please come And I think we should welcome him with a round of a big applause in a louder way. No, आवाज नहीं आ रहा. He's right. जोर से. Okay. भूख लग गई है लोगों को थोड़ा. Okay. Doesn't matter. और कुछ moment है. Can I hand over the microphone to you, Saurabh? And please take it forward. Thank you so much for having us as well.
Thank you so much, everyone. So I would like to introduce you all. Like इस छत के नीचे बहुत सारे businesses हैं अभी float कर रहे हैं. And you know ये ship बहुत अच्छा चलने वाला है अगर एक साथ हम काम करें तो. So I would like to introduce you to my High Hopes family as well. So अपने लिए तालियां बजा दो. So एक करके बुलाएंगे और इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे. Will not take much time. 30 seconds में हम छोटा इंट्रोडक्शन करेंगे आप सबका, ठीक है? तो मैं एक करके बुलाऊंगा और तालियां कम नहीं होनी चाहिए एक जन के लिए भी, बिकॉज एक दूसरे के लिए तालियां बजाएंगे. अप्रिशिएट करने से अप्रिसिएशन मिलता है. अगर हम अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते तो हमें कभी अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिलता है. सो वुड यू लाइक टू अप्रिशिएट ईच अदर? वुड यू लाइक टू अप्रिशिएट ईच अदर? फिर भी आवाज नहीं आ रही. वुड यू लाइक टू अप्रिशिएट ईच अदर? सो हम फ्लो से स्टार्ट करते. सबसे पहले जो आया था हमारी टीम से, तो वो पंक्चुअलिटी हमारी विनर से था. लास्ट ईयर की हमारी विनर है जो श्रुति अग्रवाल. शी द मैराथन रनर एज वेल. सो वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट हर एंड उनसे एक्सपीरियंस पूछेंगे कैसा रहा स्टेज का स्टार्स नाइट सीजन 5.
Good evening, friends. I'm Shruti Agarwal, Mrs. Asia Pacific Universe. The feeling was really awesome, and it wouldn't have been possible without Saurabh Haryanvi. His support was too much, and I have learned so many things. This platform has, there is a lot of transformation because I have learned many things, and being a marathoner, I didn't know that I have this ability. And thank you so much for this journey. This was really beautiful. Thank you.
I would like to invite Dr. Devashish. He is one of the most famous skin doctor in Calcutta. So please. Talia.
Hi everyone. It is very beautiful to see all these beautiful faces in front of me. Devjani, you are a powerful orator, I must say. You are.
Thank you.
And thanks to Laksh for this awesome adventure, and heartiest congratulations to Saurabh for his upcoming releases, and to all the fellow members who are here. And it's really a honor and a privilege to be here and to say a few words in front of you. I am Dr. Devashish and I am the founder of Radiant Aesthetics Clinic. Presently I am having 4 branches in Bengal and serving you for last 15 years. So don't ask my age. Thank you.
इंद्राणी जी हमारी, ये ममता दीदी के बाद अगर मैं किसी का दीदी नाम लेता हूँ तो वो इंद्राणी दी है. सारे इवेंट्स कैलकाटा में बहुत ज्यादा ही करती है. सो वो देखिए वहां पे हमारे रेस्टोरेंट ओनर हैं, यहाँ पे भी आप इवेंट कर सकते हो.
First of all, I thank the Saurabh for his wonderful work. So I have to request all of you to clap for Saurabh because this evening is for only Saurabh for High Hopes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Didi. Then we'll call Suchita, Suchi बोलूँगा मैं. मेरा हकलाने लग जाऊँगा फिर मैं. ये इंट्रोडक्शन अपना देंगी. She is our official stylist for High Hopes.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening.
Little bit more loud.
Good evening.
That's better. Hi, this is Suchishmita Hussain and I'm a makeup artist and styling expert of Saurabh. He's a very, very dear friend and he's just like my family. Thank you all for coming today and gracing the evening. And like he said, Stars Night Season 6 is going to come in few months. So looking forward. All of you, I want all of you to come participate
and make it another blockbuster like the previous seasons. Thank you so much.
Shantanuda, please. He is one of the very famous designers in Calcutta. So big round of applause for him. When I was a model like 12 years back, we have worked together. So he knows me from then.
Hi, good evening everyone. I know Saurav for last so many years. I know since his modeling time actually. And we worked for Stars Night Season 5 also last year. And lots of good wishes, lots of good luck for Stars Night Season 6. And I wish everyone who is present here for this wonderful evening, God bless you. Thank you so much.
We'll invite Baljeet Kaur, please. She's our influencer and a dear friend. यहाँ शर्माने लग जाते हैं, पता नहीं यहाँ पे कुछ है, स्टेज पे आके सब शर्माने लग जाते हैं.
Hi guys, good evening. So I'm a fashion influencer and social influencer too. And Saurav मेरा बहुत अच्छा friend है. So we struggle together, right Saurav? And I'll congrats you for more seasons, upcoming seasons and your releases. ठीक है? And thank you बस.
अच्छा टाइम बचेगा. We'll invite Suman ji here, Lakme Academy. Lakme, big round of applause for Lakme because he has been hosting our events for past 5 years and he has been there from like thick and thin every time for Stars Night Season 5. Oh sorry, not Season 5, all the seasons, sorry.
Thank you Saurav ji. Good evening everyone. Thank you for inviting me today in this particular event. It feels very honorable. आज मेरा particularly आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. स्टार नाइट सीजन 1 से मैंने शुरू किया था सौरभ जी के साथ. अभी सीजन 6 आने वाला है तो 6 साल हो गया. तो दैट इज सम अचीवमेंट लैक्मे एकेडमी सॉल्ट लेक हैज रीच्ड. बट उससे भी ज़्यादा एक अचीवमेंट है जो मैं आज शेयर करूँगा कि आज मेरे 2 स्टूडेंट्स आज खुद गेस्ट बन के आए हैं. तो एक टाइम था कि मेरे स्टूडेंट्स इनके शो में आके मेकअप करते थे, हेयर स्टाइलिंग करते थे. अभी वो लोग खुद गेस्ट बन के आए हैं. तो दिस इज अ बिग अचीवमेंट. थैंक यू सौरभ जी. ईच एंड एवरी ईयर ब्रिंग आउट सो मच ऑफ सरप्राइजेस इन योर इवेंट्स. लास्ट सीजन भी बहुत लाइक इट्स वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट इवेंट इन कोलकाता आई बिलीव. लैक्मे एकेडमी सॉल्ट लेक तो ईस्ट से बड़ा कोई इवेंट नहीं करता. आई बिलीव दिस हैज बीन अ ग्रेट इवेंट एंड दिस ईयर ऑल्सो आई बिलीव इट विल बी मोर बिगर देन सीजन 5, मोर ग्रैंड एंड lot of surprises for everyone. And Lakme Academy Salt Lake, हमारे students, मैं सब आपके साथ हूँ. Thank you so much sir.
ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि मेहनत करके ही आगे बढ़ते हैं लोग और मेरा प्लेटफॉर्म हमेशा ये सिखाता है कि मेहनत करके आगे बढ़ो. So I always teach people, groom them and you know work on them कि वो आगे बढ़ सके. तो उन्होंने ऐसे बोला ना कि स्टूडेंट्स को आज मैंने गेस्ट बना दिया है तो it's a very big thing for me. It's an achievement where I feel proud of that. So we'll invite Maria ji, please. She is a jewelry designer of Calcutta.
Hello and good evening everyone. I am Maria Hussain, owner of Ethnic Andaz by Maria. It is one of the oldest jewelry we are the oldest one in jewelry business, and I would like to thank Saurabh ji. I would like to thank Saurabh ji for giving the platform. I would like to add that beauty is who you are, but jewelry is icing on the cake. Thank you.
Bhavika. So Bhavika is an international designer from UK. She is making us proud internationally also. So big round of applause for her. Well done, Bhavika.
Hello everyone. Thank you for inviting me first of all. And I'm Bhavika Parnani. I'm a fashion designer. I'm running my own brand Belleroops Bhavi. We mostly work on different silhouettes, different patterns. So that is what make my brand different. So you can all follow me on Belly Rupsa Bhavi on Instagram. That's all I want to say.
Thank you so much. Vipin, get ready with the teaser. So again, Kavita ji, please आइए. A big round of applause for the most senior member of High Hopes family. She is an author also, and she is a social influencer also, and she is very dedicated with High Hopes family. हर इवेंट में आते हैं वो, यहाँ तक कि उनका ऑपरेशन हुआ था, वो प्लास्टर में आए थे मेरा शो अटेंड करने के लिए. So big round of applause for her.
थैंक यू सौरभ, पहली बात. और हम बड़े हैं, सीनियर हैं तो कुछ भी है, लेकिन सीखने को बहुत छोटों से मिलता है आजकल. हमको इस दुनिया, अभी की दुनिया में लाने के लिए आप पहले हैं, क्योंकि हमें भी इंकरेजमेंट मिलता है कि आप प्लेटफॉर्म देते हो. और मेरी बुक लॉन्च आपने ही कराई थी राहुल रॉय जी से, तो थैंक यू इनको है जो मेरे को याद करते हैं और मुझे ये प्लेटफॉर्म देते हैं कि मैं और आगे बढ़ूँ. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Pooja and Aarti, please come on stage. ये हमारे recent guest हैं लैक्मे से, तो इन्होंने मेकअप किया है पूरे म्यूजिक वीडियो का एंड पूरे हाई होप्स टीम का. So कैसा लगा आपको, क्या एक्सपीरियंस था, प्लीज आके शेयर करिए.
First of all, thank you so much, Sarva Haryani sir, for inviting us. Good evening, everyone. हम लोगों ने इस सॉन्ग के लिए मेकअप किया था जो एक्ट्रेस है उनका, और लास्ट मैंने स्टार नाइट सीजन 5 में भी हम लोगों ने मेकअप किया है वो महिमा चौधरी मैम के ऊपर, और बहुत ही अच्छा स्टार नाइट सीजन 5 जैसा ब्लॉकबस्टर हुआ था. मैं सोचती हूँ आगे का भी सीजन, स्टार नाइट सीजन 6 और जो भी अपकमिंग सीजन हो उससे भी ज़्यादा ब्लॉकबस्टर हो. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
और सौरभ सर की सबसे अच्छी बात यही है कि वो न्यू कमर्स को इक्वली मतलब प्लेटफॉर्म देते हैं अपना टैलेंट शोकेस करने के लिए. सो थैंक यू सो वेरी मच सर, एंड थैंक यू टू द लैक्मे एकेडमी शॉर्टली, जिनकी वजह से हमको इतना एक्सपोजर मिला है कि हम यहाँ पे आके आज कर रहे हैं.
निष्ठा जी प्लीज आइए. शी हैज अ स्किन प्रोडक्ट एंड अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड.
So much sorry for inviting me over. Hi, I was skincare. I'm an owner and manufacturer at Nissan Rock. It's a skincare product brand which I manufacture at my home only with all the herbal and organic ingredients, and it's completely chemical free. So it's always safe for everyone, including the kids and adults. Thank you so much.
Now invite Subhash da. Please आइए. He is a Bollywood actor. He has worked in many films. He has been seen with Kartik Aaryan recently in Bhool Bhulaiya, and we have a long journey of around 15 years. We are working together, and he is like an elder brother. So lots of love for him. He has always given time to me, no matter what.
ধন্যবাদ. আমি একটাই কথা বলবো সৌরভের জন্য, যখন সিজন 1 স্টার্ট করেছিল এইখানে ছিল, এখন এই ছাদ অব্দি এসে গেছে, এখন এর উপরেই যাবে, এটা শিওর, কোনো মানে ডাউট নেই আমাদের. আর একটা কথা বল, এজ ইজ জাস্ট এ নাম্বার. সব জায়গায় সবার কাছ থেকে কিছু না কিছু শেখা যায়, এটা মাইন্ডে রাখা উচিত. যে আমি বয়স্ক হয়ে গেছি তো আমি সব কিছু জানি, এটা ভুল. আমি একটা ছোটো বাচ্চা থেকে একটা কিছু শিখতে পারি, কিন্তু ওটা মনে ভেতরে থাকতে হবে যে আমি এটা শিখবো. 3টে পি মনে রাখবেন: প্যাশন, পেশেন্স, পজিটিভিটি. এই 3টে জিনিস যদি আপনি মনে রাখেন, আপনি আর থামতে পারবেন না, এগিয়ে চলে যাবেন. অল দ্য বেস্ট ফর সৌরভ, আর এরকম এগিয়ে যাক, আমরা সঙ্গে আছি সবসময়.
Thank you so much. Bhavna, please come. She is a fashion designer again, and she has her own boutique. तालियां बजाओ, क्या हो गया है? सबके लिए बजनी है.
Thank you so much for inviting over here. I'm actually very new to this platform, and I'm very happy that I'm sharing this platform over here with Mr. Saurabh Haryani. Actually, I'm very much nervous, and you can obviously sense it from my tone. But yes, I am doing a new business into clothing, and would love all of you to appreciate, because it is very new to me, new to all of you as well. So thank you. I'm too nervous.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. धीरे धीरे सीखते हैं. माइक सबको नर्वस करता है. वी हैव प्रियंका, शी इज इनटू फूडिंग. एक और नर्वस आदमी है यहाँ पे. तालियां बजा दो और नर्वस करो, और ज्यादा नर्वस करो.
Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Jain, owner of Foodie Mania, delivering happiness all over Kolkata. क्या बोलूँ, स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट किया था. एक थाली से काउंट भी नहीं कर सकती इतनी थालियाँ का सफ़र. इट वॉज बिट थोड़ा स्ट्रगल रहा, थोड़ा एंजॉय किया, एंड हियर आई एम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. थैंक यू सो मच.
Can we have Vinny girl? She is a tarot card reader and बहुत भविष्य बताती है सबका. तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको भविष्य सबका यहाँ पे? अच्छा, उन्दा है. ठीक है, सुन लो सब.
Hi, good evening everyone. I am Dr. Aditi Garg, a tarot card reader, numerologist, coach and entrepreneur. I am so happy that I am always a part of, since last year I am always a part of Star Night and been collaborating with Saurav. And previously I was part of a networking platform also, but now I am not doing any kind of networking. So it is also good to be a part of this platform, Evo Connect. Congratulations to the founder and everyone working so hard for this collaboration. So looking forward for much more from Evo Connect and definitely Stars Night. वो तो हमारा अपना platform है. Thank you.
सबका घर का प्लेटफॉर्म हो चुका है स्टार्स नाइट. सब अपना घर ही समझते हैं उसको एक्चुअली. एंड सीनू सुनाना जी, प्लीज कैन वी हैव यू ऑन स्टेज. शी इज इनटू इंटीरियर्स. इनके लिए भी ताली बजानी है. तो लगेगा कि स्पेशली पैसे लेके आए लोग यहाँ पे ताली बजवाने के लिए.
Well, good evening, beautiful people. I didn't know I've been invited here because I think I'm an online, right? I'm not an offline video member. But anyways, I appreciate that I've been called here. I'm into interior. We deal with interior products, primarily with products. Customized flooring is our major product, which nobody is doing in Kolkata. So I would appreciate if you connect with us for the customized flooring. Wallpaper we already have. So I didn't talk about wallpaper. However, we do wallpaper as well, customized wallpaper or catalog-based wallpaper. Apart from this, blinds, curtains, we have all these. So I would love to, have you people connect with me in future. Thank you so much for having me here, inviting me.
Amazing. Can we have Jyoti ji and her sister? They are actually coming with a charitable event on 12th. So they would like to say something. Please come on stage. Okay, she's not there today. Okay. So I will invite 3 more very special people. Without them, this platform was not created. First of all, our restaurant owners, please come. तालियां, खाना इन्हीं से मिल रहा है आज. आज की शाम इनके नाम. So would like to hear a few words from them.
Hi, I'm Vidushi. I'm a pastry chef by profession and this is my dream project. So both of us have been working day and night to get this in place.
Hi, I'm Jyotsna Praladka. My family has always been into the catering line. We've been doing catering in Kolkata since last 25 years. So making this get converted into a big restaurant like this is like a dream come true for us. We are family plus friends. And now we are here to give you all a wonderful experience here. We do all kind of services here in terms of the general lunch, dinner, breakfast, supper, brunch. We are also doing catering of dessert sections in all kinds of events. Also, we have started our new breakfast, which is pure vegetarian, but the non-vegetarians will not miss anything because we have all the American options in veg. Plus, we are also doing hampers, which is for all occasions, Diwali, Eid, Durga Puja, New Year, marriages, food platters, you have all under one roof. So I hope you all have a wonderful evening and a great experience here.
लेकिन और applause for him. Food बहुत tasty है, कल ही खाया था मैंने यहाँ पे first time, so I really loved it and they decorated it really well. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for hosting us. अमारा जी आई है यहाँ पे. She is into suits, like Pakistani suits she makes, and she is like a very nice person, also very humble person and a great friend. So would like to hear from you.
Good evening everyone. मैं अमारा परवेज. Actually I am from Pakistan. So I am based and married in Kolkata. I deal in original Pakistani suit. We provide tailoring facilities also. So अगर आपको कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट हो किसी भी तरह की, हम हर तरह के कपड़े कस्टमाइज करते हैं, बनाते भी हैं, और आप जिस तरह का फैब्रिक लाएंगे या आप हमें बोलिएगा, हम उसी तरीके से आपको डिज़ाइन करके दे सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so very much. So before I call the 3 more people, दिल रहे हमें, तो उनसे कुछ सुनना चाहेंगे. थोड़ा ही बोल दीजिए. ज़्यादा तारीफ नहीं करते मेरी, नहीं तो मैं और लेट आता हूँ फिर.
Good evening. Saurabh is like just a brother to me.
She has been presenting herself.
हेलो, थैंक यू सौरभ भैया. फर्स्ट सीजन से मैं इनके साथ हूँ और राजीव सर के भी साथ हम लोगों ने बहुत काम किया है. तो इंसान को इज्जत कैसे देना है ये बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं, खास करके लड़कियों को. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. तो आप लोग अभी मेरे शो स्टॉपर्स से मिलेंगे. So would like to invite my team with whom I move, and whatever happens is because of my team only. So would like to invite Gurbir, Rashika, Vipin, Varsha. Please come on stage. इनके लिए सबसे ज्यादा तालियां. और थोड़ी दूर से बजा दो, because इनके साथ मैं बहुत दूर रहता हूँ और बेचारे बहुत सुनते हैं मेरे से. So whoever is close to my heart, वो बेचारा बहुत गाली सुनता है. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा सुनते हैं मेरे से, but they do awesome work and I make sure कि they are learning each and every single day whatever they are learning today.
Hi, I'm Gurpreet. मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैं सौरभ के साथ लाइक लास्ट 2 years से हूँ, एंड टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, लाइक ही इज बीन अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड, एंड उसके भी अलावा ही इज बीन अ वेरी गुड मेंटर. लाइक जैसे ये बोल रहे हैं गुस्सा करता है, बट ये छोटी छोटी बातें इतने अच्छे से कनेक्ट करता है ना कि उस समय नहीं समझ में आता है, बट बाद में समझ में आता है कि क्या लॉजिक है. सो इट इज़ वंडरफुल वर्किंग, एंड वी आर एक्साइटेड फॉर द न्यू सीजन.
हेलो, आई एम रशिका, डियर सिस्टर ऑफ सौरभ भाई. वो मुझे एक छोटी बहन की जैसे हाथ पकड़ के हर कुछ सिखाते हैं और हमेशा अपने साथ रखते हैं, और मेरी छोटी छोटी गलतियों को नज़रअंदाज करके मुझे आगे बढ़ने के लिए बहुत बहुत अप्रिशिएट करते हैं. थैंक यू टू सौरभ भाई.
हेलो, गुड इवनिंग, ईवो नमस्कार. एक्चुअली जितना मैं सौरभ जी का हूँ उतना ही ईवीओ का हूँ, क्योंकि हाँ, यहाँ पे मैं हाई ओप्स को भी रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ, मैं ईवीओ को भी रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ. मैं डिजिटल हेड हूँ हाई ओप्स का, तो मैं सीटीओ हूँ ईवीओ कनेक्ट का. और कोई भी अगर डिजिटल का लाइक रिक्वायरमेंट होगा, ऐप डेवलपमेंट, वेब डेवलपमेंट, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट, तो आप उससे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ईवीओ कनेक्ट में जाके सर्च कीजिए, मेरा नाम विपिन मिश्रा नाम है मेरा, आपको वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. इंक्वायरी भेजिए और हमारे साथ आगे बढ़िए, मेक इन इंडिया. थैंक यू.
इसकी नई शादी हुई है, प्लीज कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करें इसको. हमारे टीम में छोटा सा बच्चा शादी करके गया बाहर.
हेलो, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. मैं प्रिंसेस ज्योत्सना सॉफ्टवेयर में डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एक्सपर्ट हूँ, बट उनके साथ ही मैं IOP से कनेक्ट कर पाई हूँ लास्ट 2 years से. तो मुझे यहाँ बहुत मतलब मज़ा आ रहा है काम करने में भी, और लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट कर रही हूँ, बहुत लोगों के साथ. तो जितने भी चैलेंजेस आते हैं सबको एक्सेप्ट करती हूँ और अपने टाइम से काम कर रही हूँ. थैंक यू सौरभ सर.
Thank you so much. Brother Javed, he is a politician. Please come. Big round of applause for him. बहुत ज़्यादा social work कर रहे हैं and doing great work for the society. So what would you like to say to us?
Namaste, Assalamu alaikum and Shri Akal. So first of all, तो I'm not a politician. सोशल वर्क करते हैं, जो थोड़ा बहुत हो सकता है हमसे, जो ऊपर वाला चाहते हैं करवा देते हैं। और सौरभ भाई के साथ रहते हैं, और सौरभ भाई मेरे बड़े भाई की तरह है। तो जब भी आते हैं, कभी मुलाकात होती है, बहुत रेयर होती है, बट बहुत अच्छा मशवरा, बहुत अच्छा सजेशन देते हैं। और इनके म्यूज़िक लॉन्च पे थोड़ा आने में लेट हो गया ट्रैफिक की वजह से। एंड माई बेस्ट विशेस एज ऑलवेज। माशाल्लाह, थैंक यू।
नहीं, मैंने कुछ निकलने नहीं दिया अभी, सबका इंट्रोडक्शन ही चल रहा है। सो माई टू स्पेशल बोल सकते हैं, बच्चे ही बोल सकते हैं, जिन्होंने छोटा छोटा एक्ट किया है अभी, जो ये काम सीख रहे हैं। दे आर मॉडल्स राइट नाउ एंड दे हैव एक्टेड इन दिस वीडियो, सो बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर देम। खुशी, आया, बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर देम। हाउ डिड यू फील वर्किंग विद स्टार्स बैंक?
बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को यहाँ पे सर के साथ काम करके। एंड आई एम एक्चुअली अ विनर ऑफ 2025 मिस्टर एशिया पैसिफिक इंडिया।
Hello everyone, my name is Mayank, an aspiring model, and I would like to thank you Saurav sir for giving me the chance in his music album to be a cast. Thank you so much.
So we are ready with the teaser, okay? मैं आपको अब सॉन्ग का टीजर दिखाने वाला हूँ। So are you all ready? Yes. वर्षा, आप उधर चले जाओ। एक्साइटमेंट दिख नहीं रहा है, सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा। Are you all excited? थोड़ी सी आवाज है ये। Yes. Tell me when Varsha and Vipin are ready. Give me a thumbs up. You have to start from the beginning. Volume. Big screen, please.
सांसें कहे तेरा नाम लो, दिल ये कहे तेरे पास रहूं, तेरे बिन जीना क्या, तेरा साथ ही है दुआ।
Did you like the teaser? Are you all excited for the main song? Yes. Okay. Varsha, are you ready with the main song?
यहाँ से प्ले करते?
नहीं, 1 मिनट। Varsha ready with the main song? Vipin ready with the main song? Yes. So please watch it on YouTube. We are showing you here. The song is now available on Spotify also.
कुछ ही शुरू, कुछ पे ही खत्म, तेरे बिना हर लम्हा है कम, तेरी हंसी से रोशन जहां, तेरे बगैर सब सुनसान यहाँ, सांसें कहे तेरा नाम लूं,
How was it? Did you like the song? So आप Spotify खोलिए सारे के सारे अभी जिसके पास Spotify है. Can you whip in put the poster? आप Spotify पे ये गाना सर्च कर सकते हो and it is releasing in 120 countries all over. It's an international song. It will be here like anywhere from all over the world. And ये iTunes में भी release हो चुका है. So it's a pleasure that High Hopes is working international now. So it's a pride moment for us that we are reaching to everywhere, like every place. Wherever you go, you search High Hopes Entertainment or Saurav Haryanvi, you will find me. Thank you so very much. I have 2 more announcements to give, that we are actually opening our 3 channels. That is High Hopes Movies, High Hopes Music, and the Haryanvi Show, which will be a podcast, and it will be an open platform for all you to contact me and come on my podcast. It will be a grand viral show which will be in each city of India. Thank you so very much for giving me so much of love. So now we will start with the press conference. So one by one, I will call my team there and we'll have a press conference for Stars Night, and then we have. अब बोल दीजिए आप, चले जाओ. Okay. Are we ready? Yes. So here we are with a wonderful book launch by EVO Connect, and everybody is super excited, and we are looking forward. If anybody wants to buy this book, it's $3.99. Yeah. If anybody wants to buy this book, it's a beautiful book, and we have a quiz round after this. 10 books we are gifting today. So I have few questions. So whoever will answer this correctly, we will gift this book, right? 10 books are available as gifts, and आप लोगों का presentation भी बचा हुआ है. So thank you to the wonderful team of EVO. I had a wonderful time launching this wonderful book, a music video on this platform, and thanks to her for hosting such a wonderful event and giving this power, and Lakshya ji and his Lavanya ji. I will really like what to say. I'm thankful that you people are coming together with me and doing this wonderful job. They are both are amazing. This platform is created by them, and they are very humble, very down to earth, and they care for each member of EVO Connect. I really feel obliged that I'm doing this with them, and thank you to Bate for hosting such a wonderful event, and it's a pleasure having us here, and like thank you so much for the great evening. So it's a ritual video जो मेरे साथ पहली बार हो रहा है. Please आ जाइए, इधर आ जाइए. इधर कहाँ है? सब इधर आ जाइए. So everybody will come in this video.
चाय है वो चाय तो पी रहे थे, पी लिए.
सब आ गए?
हाँ.
तो इसमें सब आने वाले हैं. बस. So finally we are ahead with the cake cutting. So are we all excited? Yes. आवाज नहीं है यहाँ से. Are we all excited? Yes. पुलिस की है. Are we all excited? Yes. तुम लोग अपनी टर्न पे चिल्लाना, ठीक है? और हाथ बाहर निकाल के चिल्लाना, ठीक है? Are we all excited? Yes. Are we all excited? Yes. तुम लोग की बारी जीतना है, हाँ? से बस पहले यही केक खिलाओ फिर. Are we all excited? Yes. इधर वाले जीत रहे. Last round, हाँ? Final round to this. Are we all excited? Yes. जोर नहीं तुम लोग. इन लोगों का पिछले वाले जोर था. Are we all excited? Yes. कान में आया. Are we all excited? ये वाला रील सबसे पहले जाएगा. क्या बच्चा है ये बच्चा नहीं
अरे वो
बच्चा है मेरा हाथ सारे पकड़ लो वीडियो चालू है आई वांट ईच एंड एवरीवन होल्ड माय हैंड प्लीज भाई वीडियो इधर से भी रिकॉर्ड कर लो ऐसे नहीं इधर जाके
मोबाइल इनका
सब हाथ डालो ठीक है देखो मैं सबको ढक देता हूँ आई एम ओवर शेडोइंग एवरीवन ओके सो हिप हिप to Stars Night and today my actress was not available as she is busy with the shooting so we really miss it so we'll play her video as well and अभी आप लोगों का presentation बाकी है so I'll respect you gracefully everyone so I'll call you everyone on stage once again केक कटिंग के बाद भी मत जाना okay so hip hip hooray to Stars Night season 6
भाई मोबाइल लगा
बोल से चालू होगा so I will not feed anyone here I will request Bate team to please cut down the cakes and serve to each one of you that will be better beautifully gracefully so thank you so very much